With just your phone, I will show you step by step on how to create a realistic 3D images like this using Bing AI tool without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel and you love AI content like this with prompts, consider to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about AI. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to create realistic 3D eagle images like this using Bing AI tool without any stress or for free. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we head over to our Google Play Store right here. So if you are using Android phone, you have to head over to your Google Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just head over to your iPhone store. So right now in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. So I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. I'll get it to your Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you make use of the search engine right here. What you need to do there is to type in Bing. Then you click on search. So you're going to click on here to install. After a successful download and install, next thing you want to do is to click on open. Then right here, click on continue. Then you'll be taken in like this. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on image creator to take you to this point right here. So you have to make sure you click on join and create. So you can click on sign in with a personal account. Then from the point here, click on Microsoft account sign in. Then you have to click on create one. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then enter your username. Then you can come here and interchange from either Outlook or Hotmail right here. But I'm going to leave it in Outlook, so I'm going to select on that. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to set in your login password. Then click on next. Then you can save the password to the password manager. Then right here you enter your first name, last name, then click on next. Set your country right here. Then move down below here, choose your month and the year of date of birth. Then choose your day, then choose your year. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to use this arrow to position this particular shoe in this way of hand, this way. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make use of this to position the shoe in the way of arrow. Then I think I got it. Then I'll click on submit. Then we are going to use the same another arrow. So we can use this one this time around. I'm going to use this arrow right here. Then I will rotate. Then right here, I will make sure I click on submit. Then I can make use of this arrow right here. So I will just tap. Then I'll click on submit. Use of this arrow. Then I'll click on submit. And I'm going to make use of this arrow to rotate in the hand direction. Then I click on submit. Verification complete. So right here you can see an account has been successfully created. Welcome back, friends. So after you successfully create an account with Microsoft Bing, next thing we want to do is to make use of the text to image and see how we can create 3D realistic big eagle bird using Bing AI. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on here. Then it's going to load up to this particular point. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we type in our prompt right here. And what I'm going to do is to just click and hold down. I'll paste my prompt right here. You can also check the description of this video for this tutorial prompt. After paste my prompt, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on create. So you can see the 4 beautiful results right here. So for us to download any of the image right here, what we want to do is to make sure we just tap on the image and it's going to load up this way. Next thing we want to do is to click and hold down. We make sure we click on download and click on download. It's as simple as that. Download complete. So we want to download another one. We just have to swipe this way. We click and hold down. We click on download and we make sure we click on download right here. So we have the second one download completely. The 43rd one So what we need to do, click and hold down. Then we make sure we click on download image. Then we make sure we click on download. So we have the third one downloaded completely. So the very last one, we click and hold down. Then we make sure we click on download image. Then we make sure we click on download. Boom, everything has been downloaded successful. It's as simple as that. So this is how to use Microsoft Bing AI to generate beautiful images using your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe for more AI content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.